Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to make this traffic light signal by using the Arduino. So let's begin. At first we have to learn how to code this. So we will write these global variables first. These global variables are actually very helpful in coding. If we want to change or update the code very quickly, then we can use these global variables to do it very quickly. So I'm writing here wait time is equal to 2000. 2000 means 2 seconds. Okay, so this is written in milliseconds. So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. Okay, so int is the data time for the time delay, and now we have to write this void setup, and here we have to declare which pins we are going to use. So I am going to use pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 4 as output pins. So I have to write here output. Make sure that write all the characters of this output as capital. Similarly, I would write here pin mode, insert the parenthesis 3 comma output, and I will insert the semicolon at the end. And similarly, pin mode parenthesis 4 comma output and semicolon at the end of the line. And now we have declared the 3 pins, and now it's time to declare the sequence of blinking the LEDs. So we will do this in void loop, and here we have to write digital write. Okay, digital write 2 comma high, because I want to turn LED that is connected to 2 as high, and then I have to declare 2 more LEDs that will be of course low, because we know that on the traffic signal at the same time only one LED is high. So I am writing the 2 LEDs as low. So at first the red LED will blink and it will be high, the green and orange LED will be low. And after that I have to insert this delay time. This is actually written over here. So I have to write delay, and in parentheses I have to write the variable wait time, and it will assign the value of 2 seconds to this thing. Okay, so if we want to change this 2000 to some other value, then we can do this by only changing the global variable value 2000 to 3000, 4 or 5, or any delay time you want. And I am writing here, this is for the green LED. This portion will turn on only the green LED. Okay, and then second, for the orange light, this block will be used to turn on the orange light, and finally the third block will be used to turn on the green light. And now we will adjust this sequence. So first sequence is correct. That will turn definitely, it will definitely turn on the red LED, and here we have to turn on the orange one, so it is connected to the pin number 3. And here in the final block we have to turn on the LED that is connected to the pin 4, and now the sequence is all correct. Just check this box here, and we have to save the code first. It's compiling. Code is corrected, there is no error in this code. Okay, and now let's move on to the circuit. So we will need this breadboard first. We would require 3 resistors, and we will connect the second leg of the resistor with the ground, and make sure connect it with the same line. I will show you a bit later. I have connected one resistor second and the third resistors. So here you can see the second leg of the resistors are connected in the same line, okay. And now we will require this jumper wire because we know that the breadboard is actually not connected at the mid, so now it is connected. And here you can see all of the resistor second legs are connected in the same line. Now we would require this red LED, okay. This is actually a red LED, and the smaller leg of the LED is connected to the resistor. The upper portion and the lower portion are actually uh, not connected with each other, okay. And make sure the smaller leg of the LED is connected with the resistor. And I have connected all of the LEDs like this. And now we would require an Arduino, and we will connect this black wire with all of the grounds are common, so we would require only one ground, okay. I will connect it with the Arduino's ground pin. You can easily figure out where is the Arduino's ground pin. Here it is, ground, and I am going to connect it here. And now I would require three more jumper wires, okay. Let's place it here, and this is the wire number one. It will be connected here with the LED, and this is the second wire, and this is the third wire. So three different male to male wires will be required, and these will be connected to pin number 2, pin number 3, and pin number 4 of the Arduino, okay. Pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4. Make sure to connect the red LED with pin number 2, and orange LED with pin number 3, and green LED with pin number 4. Here you can see pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4 are connected. And now let's connect this Arduino with the laptop. I have already coded and I have explained it to you. And now just upload this code. We have to click here on this button, this one, and it will upload it. And here you can see the sequence. First the red LED will be turned on, then the orange one, and then finally the green one. So this is the sequence of traffic light. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe.